see that all of you have sent me the answers and the answers are correct. Very nice. And Aradhya, sometimes you're attending the class and sometimes you're not attending the class. I'm looking at it. So be here. Okay, so all of you have done the answers correctly. So here in the first one we have 700 centimeter. Who is this? Arav Solanki. He is coming so late. So 700 centimeter plus 35 centimeter. So it will be equals to 7 meter 35 centimeter. Okay. Now the next one is 200 meter. All of you have done it correctly. 200 centimeter and 505 centimeter. So 200 centimeter is equals to 2 meters and 5, sorry, do not put the plus sign over here, 2 meter and 5 centimeter. All of you have done this correct, all of you. Okay, 900 centimeter plus 99 centimeter is equals to 9 meter and 99 centimeters. Here 660 centimeters, so you will write 600 centimeter plus 60 centimeter. So 600 centimeter is equals to 6 meter and 6 centimeter. Check your answers, everyone. Check your answers. I'm going to click the picture of it so that I can send it on your WhatsApp. Chairitra Piyush Gangwar kaun hai? Yes, Piyush Gangwar. They are coming so late, so many students. I'll not allow any latecomer from now onwards. I'll send the answers on the WhatsApp.
Ma'am, in last one there should be 60 centimeter. Why 6 centimeter?
Why beta? 6 meter and 6 centimeter. Oh, sorry, 60. I'm so sorry, beta. Oh, I have to take the picture again. 60 centimeter. So I'm going to rub this. If you have not done this question, take a screenshot of it. I'll send it on the WhatsApp as well. Okay, now we are going to start the new exercise, that is exercise 9.2. But before starting exercise 9.2, I want all of you to sit straight and properly and look here. Okay? You don't have to write anything in the maths notebook. You just have to look on board. Look on board and do nothing. And do nothing. Bus. Understood? Look on board and do nothing. Keep your arms, pencils, everything down. We are going to start the next exercise. So I'm going to teach you something now. Okay, I'm going to teach you today addition and subtraction together. Addition bhi aise hi hota, subtraction bhi aise hi hota. So first of all, I'm going to teach you about addition in measurement. Addition of lengths. Beta measurement mein hi sare addition aise hi hote. There are two ways. There are two ways to do the addition in addition of lengths. Let me mute you all. Speaking, never switch off your mics. So I'm going to teach you the addition of lengths. How do we add the length? हम lengths को add करते हैं. So there are two methods. There are two methods. First method is to make separate columns. Make separate columns. आप columns add करो और जैसे ही add करते थे वैसे करो. Make separate columns and add as it is. And the second method is आप separate column, जैसे मीटर का column अलग बना लिया, सेंटीमीटर का column अलग बना लिया, and you add them. Convert them. Second method is to convert them into smaller unit and then add. Convert them into smaller unit and then add. So these are the two methods. Now I will tell you there how we can do it. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, suppose you have 35 meter and 24 centimeter, 27 meter and 32 centimeter. So I am going to ask, do it 32 नहीं लेते इसको, let it be 82. Okay, 32. Let me show you first by 32, then I'll show you by 82. Suppose we have to add these two numbers. So you can see here meter is there. This is also meter. This is centimeter. This is centimeter. This is first method I'm telling you. Make separate columns. तो क्या करेंगे? First we'll make a column of meter because meter our question is given, and centimeters. Okay, how many meters are given here? 35. 35 meter is given here. And how many centimeter is given here? 24 centimeter is given here. Okay. Now see the here second one. Second one, meters के column में आप meters copy करो. Suppose there are 27 meters, so we will write here 27 meters. अच्छा बेटा अगर यहाँ 27 नहीं सिर्फ 7 meters होता तो क्या करते? तो आप 7 meter कैसे copy करते यहाँ पर? Nobody will write like this 7 meters. We always write tens place under ones place under the ones number. 7 meters. Okay, but here it is 27, so we are going to write 27 like this. Okay, 32 centimeter, then we will write 32 centimeter in the centimeter column. मीटर को मीटर वाले कॉलम में प्लेस किया एंड सेंटीमीटर को सेंटीमीटर कॉलम में प्लेस किया. वी हैव टू ऐड देम. नाउ वी विल ऐड देम. वी विल ऐड देम जैसे हम ऐड करते हैं, सिंपली वैसे ही ऐड करना है. 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 2 5, 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. 1 carry over here. 3 2 5 1 6. So the answer will be, this is not the answer. So the answer will be 62 meters and 56 centimeter. Answer will be 62 meter and 56 centimeter. Okay, but just wait. But if there would be 8, let it be 87 centimeter. 80, sorry, this is 2 only, sorry. This would be 8. 82 centimeter होता तो क्या करते? अगर यहाँ पर 82 सेंटीमीटर होता तो क्या करते? So here we have done 82. यहाँ हम 82 लिखते हैं. ठीक है? We have done 82 here. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. तो आप 10 ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे. This is wrong. बेटा कट इसमें स्पेस तो होगी थोड़ी सी बीच में, बट 1 will be carried in the same way जैसे हम ऐड करते. 10 का 1 will be carried over there. 1 जो होगा आपका मीटर में कैरी हो जाएगा. 7 plus 5 12 and 1 13. 13 and 1 will be carried over here. 3 2 5 and 1 6. So answer will be 63 meter and 6 centimeter. Understood? Everyone? Thumbs up if you have understood it. Thumbs up if you have understood it. Daksh, where are you looking? Where are you looking? Thumbs up if you have done it. If you have, if you just understood it. What is it? Is very easy. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Thumbs down if you don't understood it. If you have not understood it, thumbs down. Thumbs down if you have not understood it. Thumbs down if you have not understood it. Yatharth not understood. Okay. Yatharth not able to understood. Thumbs, okay, understood. Those who are not able to understand it, thumbs down. Thumbs down. अगर समझ नहीं आया तो thumbs down. Okay, I think no. Kanishka not able to understand because you are late. And why are you late? You didn't tell me the reason, Kanishka. Yes, half of the class have not switched on their cameras. Please switch on your camera and show me your thumbs, whether it is up or down. Switch on your cameras and show me your up or down. Thumbs down if not understood. If not understood, thumbs down. Okay, very good. I hope everyone except Kanishka. Kanishka बेटा एक मीटर का कॉलम बनेगा, एक सेंटीमीटर का कॉलम बनेगा. 1 meter and 1 centimeter column. Meters में you have to add meters and centimeters में you have to add centimeters. My God, how many people are joining late? Before 5 minutes, there were only 45 students, now 53 students. Beta, you are not supposed to, if you are late, you have to give me the reason why you are late. That's it. Bina, if you will be late, you have to tell me what is the reason behind your coming late. Okay. Now, let me give you some of the questions. Okay, now take out page number 145. Take out your maths book. अभी मैंने आपको first वाला बताया. Second वाला I'll tell you afterwards. Second one I will tell you afterwards. Okay, you can keep your thumbs down. Okay, second method I'll teach you afterwards. First I taught you this column method. We are going to do this practice first column method. Then we are going to start the next method I will teach you afterwards. Next method I will teach you afterwards. Take out your books, everyone. Be ready with your books. Open your books. Yes. Wait a second. Take out your maths book. Take out your maths book. Page number 145. Page number 145. Maths book, page number 145. Okay. Exercise 9.2 is given. Exercise 9.2 is given. Start doing it yourself in your notebook yourself. Sorry, in your books. Exercise 9.2. Do in maths book only. It's this question A. Question A we will do in maths book only. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Start doing it. Start doing it. It is already arranged in suppose first question I'm telling you, it is already arranged. The first question है आपका, it is already arranged. Okay, it is arranged already meter or centimeter column में. First one is 273 meters and 16 centimeter and 66 meter and 69 centimeter. So you have to add them. 9, 6, 15, 6, 1, 8, 6, 2, 8. No need to send the answers. No need to send the answers. 6, 3, 9, 7, 6, 13. 1 carry 339 meters and 85 centimeter. Who asked you to do it already, Monica? Who asked you to do it? If you have already done, who asked you to do it? No need to send the answers. Yeah, I have given you one example of meter and centimeter. You can do similarly. Kilometers wala bhi aise hi hoga similarly. See here again, Sheesh is not here in the class. Stop it. Okay, now let me first of all tell me what will be the answer of first one. What is the answer of first one? Okay, I have done it myself. It's 339
meter.
Wait a second. It's 3 9 339 and how many centimeters are there? 85 centimeters. 339 and 85. Okay, tell me the answer of this one.
128 meters and
128 meters.
27 centimeters.
27
meters and 27 centimeters.
Okay. 128 meters.
128 meters and 27 meters.
Okay, this one. Third one. Third
141 meter and 41 centimeters. 141
बेटा देखो, अगर यहाँ पर थर्ड वाले में यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है, so here it will be 0. यहाँ पर अगर कुछ नहीं है, तो here it will be 0. तो यहाँ पर आप 0 लगाओगे तो कितना आ रही है? 41 centimeter. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, tell me this one.
64 meters. 24 kilometers. 25 meters. 325.
Jaldi se, sir, tell me the next this one. Tell me this
96 meters.
94 kilometers and 776. Sorry, tell me 96.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Switch off your mics.
126 kilometers.
Okay, tell me this one.
575 meters.
20, tell me this one. 120. What is this one?
26 meters and 41 centimeters.
Yes.
126 kilometers.
126 kilometers and 575 meters. Okay, tell me this one. 80, 94, Okay, now tell me this one. 63 kilometer and 728 kilometers. Okay, this one. 92.
170 meters and 367 meters.
Yes. Yes, we'll discuss 11, 12 afterwards.
367.
Yes, now okay, beta, we'll discuss the now stop talking. Now we will